Eating enough protein is important in a day, but are you making these common protein mistakes that could be slowing your results? First mistake, getting most of your protein in just one meal. Your total intake matters, but spreading protein across your meals can make your nutrition more practical and effective. Second mistake, simply not eating enough protein. If your goal is to build or maintain muscle, consistently falling short can make progress harder, especially while dieting. Third mistake, treating protein powder like a magic supplement. Whey or plant protein is simply a convenient protein source. It doesn't replace a balanced diet. Fourth mistake, assuming a meal is high in protein just because it contains a protein food. The actual portion matters. Check how much protein you're really getting. And remember, more isn't always better. Once you're meeting your needs, pushing protein extremely high doesn't automatically mean faster muscle growth or faster fat loss. Protein is important, but don't forget carbohydrates, healthy fats, fiber, micronutrients, and overall calories. Results come from the complete diet, not one nutrient. Keep it simple. Choose a quality protein source at each main meal, aim for a suitable daily intake, and make it part of a balanced diet. Don't overcomplicate protein. Get the basics right, stay consistent, and let your training and nutrition work together. Follow SnagsFit for more practical fitness tips.